go. Let's get it and let's make it happen. Hook them in the mouth. We got a friend. She'll pop up here any second. Dolphin. Just look for him. Hello over there, so she's gonna have to come up. She'll be cutting across in front of me here in a second. She's chasing a school of mullet out here. There's mullet everywhere. Man, it ain't nothing like being out on the water with your yak. It's a hard-headed sucker. You ain't no keeper, but you sure was fun. And what do we have here? It's a croaker. Some people eat them, but I'm going to cut him up and use him as bait. You got a hookup, guys. Hook him in the mouth. What do we got here? I think it's a stingray or something. Y'all hear it? Hook him in the him in the mouth. We got a sea turtle. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Good release. Watch this. Nice release. Nice release. Hook him in the mouth. Let's go. Didn't mean to hook him in the mouth, but let's get it. Let's go. And let's make it happen. There's all kind of fish here in Florida. Can anybody help me out? What is this? He looks like a pinfish mixed with a drum. He got them little spots on him, lines like a... Well, whatever he is. If you guys know what it is, comment below. Alright, got another hookup. I don't know what it is. Feels small though. You should have seen him skipping on top of the water like a rock. That was nuts. Pinfish Island. Well, if I was going deep sea fishing, I'd be on right now. And throw. Like crazy. Release. Hook him in the mouth. We got another one. Oh, he got off. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh. Damn, whatever it is, it's a beast from the deep. It's a turtle, I think. Get away from there. It's either a turtle or a stingray. Almost a dumb. He was heading straight for the oyster beds to break me off. Whatever it is, it's about to tangle my lines. I gotta move this pole now. Whew. I couldn't believe it didn't break me off. What? Another sea turtle? It's 2 in 1 day. This one's a beast, though. Like telling him to hold on was gonna make him calm down. He's mad now, pulling my yak around, trying to get tangled up and stuff. Man, get out of there. Another safe release. Damn, Damn, that was hell. What kind of shit is this? 2 turtles in one day, and that one was a monster. Man, hook him in the mouth. Alright, I didn't want to hook him, but it happens. It's fishing. Splashed all in my face and sweating. What kind of shit is this? Something was hungry. Took a nice. I think I know who it was. It's kind of shaped like a turtle mouth. See on the hookup. Hook him in the mouth. We got another hookup. Oh, he's huge. Hopefully it's nothing. Oh, he's biting. Don't cross my line. Oh, he's running, he's running. I can't even see the leader. Whatever this is, it's huge and it does not want to come up off the bottom. Oh, it's a huge stingray. Oh my gosh, I ain't never seen one this big. Oh. Never hooked onto something this big. Not no stingray. Guys, this is humongous. I can't get him up. Oh. What in the... Wow. Oh my gosh. He is huge. Hell was I in my anchor around? Wow. This is a big ray. That worked, boy. Anything in the back, I was staked down. It's done pulled me off the stake, and I also got a little anchor back there, and it's pulled. My hand. Oh my goodness. Oh, my ankle over there. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Oh. Guess we're gonna have to play around for a couple more minutes. He's still got life in him. Hook him in the mouth. Oh, good one. Oh my gosh, he's big. He's under my boat. Look at that beast. Oh. Got me wet. But it's my personal best on a stingray. Hook in the mouth. biggest stingray I've ever caught. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna let you say bye. He's wore down. Hang out. Oh. Guys, he was like a 30-pound damn stingray. My gosh. Hook him in the mouth. Damn. Hook him in the mouth. You remember that stingray? This is what he did. Bent the hook. Sick! Personal best on the stingray. Man, that was fun. Felt like a brick on there that swam. It's crazy. Hook 'em in the mouth. Hook 'em in the mouth. We're going ahead and conclude this day of hook 'em in the mouth kayak fishing. We out here and just concluding the day out. It's I'm about to shut it on down. It's a beautiful day and it's starting to be a beautiful night. Check out the moon. I love kayaking. Get to see the scenery and everything. Alright, that looks good. Oh, that don't. Wow, the boat's rocking, that's why it's like this. The lighthouse at St. Augustine. I'm out. Well, that moon is beautiful. Like, subscribe, and remember, don't snag them, hook them in the mouth. Alright, concluding out, hook them in the mouth. We had a good day. We caught 2 turtles, a big old catfish. I didn't get to get some of my catches, but the ones that counted. Didn't want to catch the sea turtles today. My personal best today on the stingray, the biggest stingray I ever caught in my life. And that's about it, man. I just want to say, when y'all out there, just be safe, have a good time, and remember, don't snag them, hook them in the mouth. Till next time, see you again. I'm your hook master, Charles Cramer. Let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen.